Take water purifiers. It's a massive market in India, about 5,500 crores a year. Yet, you'd be surprised at how little real innovation has happened since RO technology came out in the 90s. Instead, what the industry has done is that they've perfected a different model. See this dabba? It's supposed to give me clean water, but every few months, without fail, it beeps. Then some guy shows up, runs a few tests, tells me I have to change the filters, charges me a hefty fee, and my wallet cries. By obeying the beep, you're locked into a mini subscription that bleeds you dry over the years, often costing more than the original machine.